This is Eyewitness News at 5, and we are streaming live on CBSN Philly. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Jessica Cartalia. We begin our coverage at 5 with the COVID vaccine announcement that is raising concerns here and around the world. The FDA and CDC are recommending the U.S. pause its use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine over blood clot concerns. 6.8 million doses have already been administered, and so far 6 cases of a rare and severe type of blood clot have been reported. One person has died. We have team coverage on this announcement. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl and Alicia Reed take a look at how this affects people who already received a dose from J&J and what this means for the vaccination effort in our area. Let's begin with Stephanie.
Hi, Jessica. Well, based on recommendations from federal health officials, vaccine providers in the Philadelphia region have stopped using the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That includes health departments and retail facilities. Now, for people who have already received the J&J vaccine, doctors say the risk for complications is very low. The CDC and FDA recommended pausing the use of the one-shot Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine to investigate whether it caused some rare blood clots and is linked to one death.
You want to make sure that safety is the important issue here. We are totally aware that this is a very rare event.
Officials say there have been 6 reported cases of blood clots out of more than 6.8 million doses delivered. All 6 occurred in women between the ages of 18 and 48, and their symptoms developed 6 to 13 days after receiving the vaccination.
So this is a setback, but I would consider it to be a small setback, an overall program that is very successful.
The blood clots associated with the J&J vaccine occurred in veins that drain blood from the brain and were combined with low platelets, fragments in blood that normally form clots. Doctors are being cautioned against using the standard treatment of heparin because in this setting it could be dangerous. For people who recently received the J&J vaccine, the symptoms to watch for include severe headache, abdominal or leg pain, and shortness of breath.
We want to make sure that the safety and the efficacy around these vaccinations are something that folks really have trust in. And so really the federal government's action is prudent to allow us to retain the trust around the vaccination process.
Johnson & Johnson issued a statement saying at present no clear causal relationship has been established between these rare events and its vaccine. Now, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine accounted for a very small percentage of the total vaccine supply. People who were scheduled to get a J&J vaccine will be switched over to either Pfizer or Moderna. Those vaccines are now plentiful, and most important, there are no safety issues with them. Yuki?
Okay, Stephanie, thank you for that.